Hey everybody, so today I was working on a wooden coaster project. Bought these coasters at Michael's, and first thing I did was primer them with gesso primer and then taped the back with painter's tape. Used a variety of cool colors, as you can see here, blues, teals, threw in some gold and gold metallics for some accent, and then white and black. The technique was a puddle pour and a blow technique that I used to create the pattern. So you could see that here, and these colors absolutely are gorgeous. They pop. As I get a little bit closer with the camera, you could probably pick up some of the gold specks. These coasters here, I used a bead swipe technique, and you can see it's got just obviously a different look, but same color palette. I absolutely love these colors, and there's the gold kind of popping through. I think when these dry and I eventually put resin on them, they're going to absolutely look beautiful. And again, here's the same color palette, just a different design with the bead swipe technique. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this color combination. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Also, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that icon bell so you're notified of new videos as I post them. I am in the process of building this channel, so it is a new channel. Having a lot of fun in my studio garage, just enjoying the process. Here are 4 additional coasters with a different color palette, some greens, black, gold, white, and a couple different green shades. And this, again, was a blow technique that just absolutely made some great designs. I love this color combination, these blacks and golds and teals and turquoise. They just are gorgeous. They pop off the canvas when I use them, and in this case, coasters. Hope you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon.